Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you the complete M1 syllabus, which is the question paper solved one, and this is unit 1. In that, this is part 1 because we have multiple questions in this unit 1 only. That's why I am making like part 1, part 2, part 3 like that. I'll explain all the units like unit 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. Subscribe if you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel for all the BTech subjects. If you want me to explain me any particular subject or any particular topic, then comment me below, let me know. Let us start with the first question. Define orthogonal matrix and solve A is equal to 1 by 2 and they have given a matrix. We have to solve this and tell that whether this is orthogonal matrix or not. First, have to define the orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix is a square matrix. For example, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, like that. Or square matrix, that is 2 into 2 is 1 0 0 1. This is 2 into 2. If I take 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0, like that. This is 3 into 3 matrix. We have 3 rows and 3 columns. That is what we call it as square matrix. 2 into 2, 3 into 3 or 4 into 4. We have here 4 into 4. 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 columns as well. This is the square matrix. Orthogonal matrix is a square matrix whose rows and columns are mutually perpendicular or orthogonal unit vectors. Mutually perpendicular means if you take two different rows or columns of an orthogonal matrix and find their dot products, it should be 0. How to get the 0 of the dot product? Then it is mutually perpendicular. Then A is orthogonal. If A transpose into A is equal to I. I means here identity matrix. For example, for our understanding purpose, I am taking an example. A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0. A transpose. A transpose means 0, 1 we have to write like this. The rows will become the column. 0, 1. The rows will become column. And minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0. How to write like this? Got it? A transpose means 0, 1. How to take it column wise? Minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0. Take it like this. This is the transpose. First step to find the orthogonal matrix. Whether the A is orthogonal or not, have to take the transpose. This is the first step. Very simple, right? Then A transpose, I have given the condition here. A transpose into A is equal to identical matrix. Let us do that. A transpose into A. Take the A transpose as it is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. What is A? 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Take these two. And 0 into 0? 1. Minus 1 into 1, that is 0. 1 into minus 1, 0. 0 into 0, again 1. I will get the identical matrix here. 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the identical matrix. That's why, hence A is orthogonal. How to find like this? If they have given one matrix and solve whether it is orthogonal or not, how to take the transpose of that matrix first. Then this is the condition, A transpose into A. How to take those two? And if I multiply these two matrix, I have to get the identical matrix. Then the given matrix is orthogonal. This is very simple. Then let us do the given. A. They have given one matrix. A is equal to 1 by 2 into this matrix. This is 4 into 4 matrix. Let us solve this. A is equal to 1 by 2 into, let us take the A transpose here. Here minus 1, 1. Let us take the first row as first column. That is minus 1, 1, 1 and 1. Second row, that is 1, minus 1, 1 and 1. Third row, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1 and 1. Fourth row, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1 and minus 1. This is the A transpose. Let us cross multiply. The next step is A transpose into A. That should be I. Let us do that. A transpose into A should be I. Let us take the A transpose first. 1 by 2 into minus 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. 1, 1 minus 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. This is the A transpose into A is again here. A is also same. Minus 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. 1, 1 minus 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Here I have to multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That will be 1 by 4. Here we have to multiply these two matrices. That is the row. We have to take the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix. Have to multiply. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 plus here row 1 into column 1, again 1 into 1 plus this is the last 1 into the column 1, 1 into 1. That will be minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. This will be 4. Got it? This will be 4. Again we have to do like this for second row and second column. Same like this only. 1 into 1, that is 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, that is also again. No, we have to take actually first row and second column to this place. First row, second column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column and first row, fourth column. We have done actually first row, first column. How to do first row, second column. That is minus 1 into 1, 0. 1 into minus 1, that is also 0. Sorry for the confusion. Here first row and the second column, right? Take minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1, that is again minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. Here we will get minus 1, 1, 1. Minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1 will cancel, that is 0. Here it will be 0. Again the first row and the third column for this position. First row, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. I'll take one more color pen. Yeah. That is minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 into 1, that is 1. Here minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1 will get cancelled, that is 0. Here it will be 0 again. And the first row and fourth column here again. Fourth column. Here minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, that is 1 plus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Again minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1 will get cancelled, that is 0. 0. Here I'll tell you one simple step that we can reduce the time, calculating time. I'll tell you one simple trick. Because these two are identical matrix, we can easily write down the next steps, because I have got already 400. Here 400 means here for wherever I have minus 1, I can easily put the 4s. For ones I have to take zeros. No need to find the next steps. It's very easy step. If you don't know, or it's just waste of your time, just write it as it is, because you will get like this only. This is identical matrix. You got this step right? Very simple. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, and first row, fourth column. Then this row will be completed. Then for second row, you have to take second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, and second row, fourth column. Then second row will be completed. Like this you have to do. Then only you will get this matrix. Then if I take the 4 outside, 1 by 4 into 4, this matrix will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This will be like this. Can make it as I4. Here 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This is the orthogonal. Hence A is orthogonal matrix. Got it? Here it is just little bit of confusing part. Make sure you do this properly. Just mark it like first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row and fourth column. Mark it and calculate. Then only you will get the proper result. Then you will, if you fail this step, then everything will be wrong. That's why do this step very properly. Okay. If you have any doubts in this, just comment below. Let me know. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you the M1 Unit 1. In that I have already explained about orthogonal matrix. Define the orthogonal matrix and find out whether it is orthogonal or not. I have taken an example and proved that it's orthogonal, and they have also given a matrix and I solved that also in last video. This is the second video in part 1. Show that I plus A plus IC minus B plus ID, B plus ID, A minus IC is unitary A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector is equal to 1. They have given the condition. When this is 1, this is the unitary. How to find this? Let us take the given. A is equal to A plus IC minus B plus ID, B plus ID, A minus IC. A bar is equal to, how to exchange the signs here. For example, if I have A plus IC, then take it A minus IC. This is the A bar. And here take the minus as it is. Here we have to change B minus ID. And here B plus ID I have, B minus ID. A minus ID IC I have to take A plus IC. Then A theta, that is A inverse transpose. A inverse transpose, how to take, this is the A inverse, how to take transpose for this. The rows will become columns, and the again one more row will become the column. A minus IC minus B minus ID will be like this. A minus IC, take this here, take this one here. B minus ID will be here, A plus IC will be here. Means the rows will become columns here. Got it? First row will be first column, second row will be second column. This is the transpose of this A inverse. A into A theta. They have already given the A. Write it as it is. A plus IC minus B plus ID. Minus B plus ID. A minus IC, B plus ID. Take it as it is, the A. Then A theta. A theta I have done this solution. A minus IC minus B minus ID, B minus ID, A plus IC. This is the A theta. And we have to do multiplication here. I have told you in the last video as well. We have to multiply the row and the column. First row, first column, first row and second column. Here A plus IC into A minus IC. Then plus minus B plus ID into minus B minus ID. Got it? First row, first column, then again first row and second column. This will be, see, A into A square, plus into minus, IC, here IC, that will be IC square, plus B into B, minus into minus plus, that is B square, and ID into ID, that is I square will be minus 1, that's why here D square. Here I will get A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Here in this place I will get A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. Again for this position I have to do first row and second column. A plus IC into B minus ID. A plus IC into B minus ID plus minus B plus ID into A plus IC. Here I will get A into B AB minus CD. Again plus into minus, A into B AB, C into D CD. Here AB CD will get cancelled. I will get 0. Here I will get 0. Again first row is completed. Come to second row. B plus ID into A minus IC. B plus ID into A minus IC plus b plus id into a minus ic into minus b minus id. A minus ic into minus b minus id. Here a into b ab, cd here, plus into minus minus, and again minus into plus minus, a into b ab, c into d cd. Here I square is equal to minus 1, and this will be 0. AB into AB plus AB minus AB plus CD minus CD will get cancelled here, 0. Then let us take B plus ID into B minus ID. B plus ID into B minus ID. Again A minus IC into A plus IC. A minus IC into A plus IC. Here I will get B square, B into B square, and D into D square, A square and C square. I will get A square plus B square plus C square and D square. This will be 0. I didn't write last time. This will be A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. They have already told that vector A, vector B, vector C, vector D is equal to 1. That is A square plus B square plus C square D square is equal to 1. That's why if A into A theta is equal to I, this will become I. If and only if A square plus B square plus C square D square is equal to 1, then A is unitary. If and only if A square plus B square plus C square D square is equal to 1. Here we have proved that this matrix is unitary. Then go to next question. That is, find the value of K if the rank of matrix A is 2. Where A they have given 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, K 0. Here the rank of the matrix is 2. Means we have to take 2 times. A is equal to take the given as it is, and I have taken the row 1 as row 2, row 2 as row 1. I have just exchanged these two. I have taken this row here and this row here. Just 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 as it is, and 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1 here. 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Exchange those two rows, first one and second one. Write the whole step here. Then in next step I have done that R3 and R4. See here, for the rank of matrix, we must have at least 2 identical rows. If I get 2 identical rows, then we can easily find out the K value here. That's why I want to make the 2 identical rows at least. Take the R3 and just change the R3 as R3 minus 3R1. R3 is 3. 3 into R1 is, that is 1. This is 1. 3 into 1. R3 means 3. This value I have to change, right? Take the R3 as 3 and 3 into R1 is 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. This value will become 0. Then again for all these values I have to apply this formula. Again R3 is 1 and 3 into R1 is 0. Here the value is 1. The values will be changed. Here R3 is 0, 0, minus 3 into R1 is 1, 1. Then the value will be minus 3. Value is minus 3. See, I am getting the similar values while doing this formula. Then R3 is 2 minus 3 into R1 is 1. That is minus 1. I got two identical rows, right? Yes. Then I have to change the R4 as well. R4, I have to do R4 minus R1. What is R4 here? 1. 1 minus R1 is also 1. That is 0. It will become 0. Again, R4 is 1. R4 is 1 and R1 is 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Change the value to 1. And again, I have R4 here, that is K. R1 is 1, K minus 1, that will be same as it is, K minus 1. And R4 is 0, 0 minus 1, that will be minus 1, minus 1. Here I can see 3 identical rows. Then I can easily find out the K minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Because these should be same, no? K minus 1 is equal to minus 3, K is equal to minus 2. Then I have find out the K value. K is minus 2. Yes, understood. These are very simple steps in M1 Unit 1. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, comment below. And if you want me to explain any particular topic, comment down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you the rank of matrix. This is M1 Unit 1 Part 1. This is third video. In first and second video, I have explained in first video I have explained the orthogonal matrix. And in second video, I have explained the unitary vector, unitary matrix. This is the rank of the matrix. Let us see how to solve this. Take the matrix A, that is 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 2, 0. We have to exchange the R1 and R2, row 1 and row 2. How to swap these two, because we have to get 1 here. This place should be always 1. That's why just swap the R1 and R2. After that, 1, 0, 1, 1. This 1, 0, 1, 1 will go to here. 1, 0, 1, 1. And 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1 will come here. 0, 1, minus 3 and minus 1. Then write it as it is, 3, 1, 0, 2. 3, 1, 0, 2. 1, 1, minus 2, 0. 1, 1, minus 2, 0. Write it as it is. This is the first step to find the rank of the matrix. And the next step is how to find the rank of the matrix by reducing the echelon form. Then we have to reduce it, like we have to make as much as possible. We have to make all the rows 0. Okay, these rows should be 0. How to make it? Just R3 and R4. Just try with those two. R3. R3, we have to take R3 minus 3 into R1. What is R3 here? 3. R3 is 3. 3 into 3 minus 3 minus 3 into R1 is 1. That will be 0. Just write it 0. Then R3 is 1. Here R1 is 0. 1 minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. That is 1 minus 0 is 1. Right here 1. And R3 is 0. 0 minus 3 into 1. That will be minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Here we have minus. That's why it's minus 3. Take the minus 3. And R3 is 2. 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 minus 3 into 1. That is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 we can't do, that will be minus 1. Write the minus 1 as it is. And R4, we have to change the R4 as well. That's why R4 minus R1. These steps you can get a doubt like, how can I do this? How can I know I have to do like this only? Whenever you want to change R3, write down R3 as it is. If you want to change R3, write down R3 as it is. If you want to change the R4, write the R4 as it is. Then which is the bigger number, or like you want to minus from that number, you will get the 0. Just check the rows here. Then take the number, multiply with that number. You will get easily 0. Got it? For R4, R4 minus R1. R4 is 1. Here this one also 1. We will get 0. Write it. Here also 1 minus 0. We will get 1. Here minus 2 minus 1. We will get minus 3. Here 0 minus 1. We will get minus 1. Here I got like almost all the same numbers. But I want to change this to zeros. Then I have to do other operations again. Then change the R4 to R4 minus R2. See, R4 and R2 are the same. Then if I do that, I'll get 0, all the R4s. For example, 0 minus 0, R4 minus R2, that will be 0. I'm doing for R4, remember that. And 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that will be 0. And minus 3 plus of minus 3, that will be 0. And minus 1 plus minus 1, that will be again 0. For R3 as well, I have to do for R3 as well. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2, these two are also same. I will get 0. For example, I'll tell you this one also. Here R3 is 0, R2 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 3 minus of 3, that will be 0. Minus 1 plus minus 1, that will become again 0. I have got these two rows 0. Then this is the echelon form. This is in the echelon form. The rank of matrix is 2 here, because the non-zero rows are 2. We got 2 non-zero rows. That's why the rank of matrix is 2. This is reduced to echelon form. This is how you have to do. Got it? The first step is you have to change the R1 and R2. You have to swap these two. R1 becomes R2, R2 becomes R1, because I want this one to be here. That's why. That is the reason. Always this one should be here. Then I have to change the R3 and R4. Here one simple method I have told you. That is, if I want to change the R3, immediately take the R3 and do some operations from another rows, any other rows. And if you want to multiply with any number, that is 2, 3, to reduce these numbers, you can do that. You can multiply with any numbers. Then you can easily reduce these numbers to 0. If you don't get here, then you can do one more steps to reduce the 0, reduce it to 0. This is in the echelons form, and the rank of matrix is 2, because the non-zero rows are 2. We got 2 non-zero rows. That's why the rank of matrix is 2. Very simple, right? Like this only you have to do. I have given 2 practice examples here. That is, A is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 6, 3, 3 minus 1, 7, 6, minus 2, 4, 2, 6, 1, 3, 9, 12. You have to do this one and this one, these two. and let me know in the comment section what is the rank of these two matrices. Okay, just do this for your practice, then only you will understand better. Got it? Then coming to the next question, if A is equal to 3, 7 minus 4i minus 2 plus 5i, 7 plus 4i minus 2, 3 plus I minus 2 minus 5i, 3 minus I, 4. Then show that A is Hermitian and IA is skew Hermitian. Then we have to show that this is Hermitian and IA is skew Hermitian. What is the condition for Hermitian? Just see this. A inverse transpose is equal to A. Then this A will be the Hermitian. Just check this. A is equal to, take as it is, 3, 7 plus 4i minus 2 minus 5i, 7 minus 4i minus 2, 3 minus I, minus 2, 5i, minus 2 plus 5i, 3 plus I, 4. Take the A as it is, then inverse it. Inverse is nothing but like change the signs I have. If I have plus here, just change it. In between two numbers, if I have any signs, that is any plus or minus, change. If I have plus here, change it to minus. If I have minus here, change it to plus. That is what inverse means. A bar. 3. 7 minus 4i. I have 7 plus 4i. Change it to 7 minus 4i. Minus 2. Take minus 2 as it is, because in between whatever the sign I have to change this. Okay. Minus 2 minus 5i I have. Minus 2, take it as it is. Plus 5i. 7 minus 4i. Change it as 7 plus 4i. Minus 2 as it is. 3 plus I have. 3 minus I have. 3 plus I. Minus 2 plus 5i. Minus 2 minus 5i. 3 plus I, that is 3 minus I, and 4. I have taken the inverse of this A. Okay. Then I have to do the transpose for this. Transpose means whatever the row I have to change to columns. Write this row to this column. For example, 3. Then 7 plus 4i, 7 plus 4i. Then minus 2 minus 5i, minus 2 minus 5i. Like this only, second row to second column. 7 minus 4i, 7 minus 4i. Minus 2 as it is. 3 minus I, 3 minus I. Then third row to third column. Minus 2 plus 5i, minus 2 plus 5i. Then 3 plus I, 3 plus I, take it as it is. 4, then 4. This will become the A. Just check, cross check this. The A and this one should be the same. 3, 7 plus 4i, minus 2 minus 5i, see. 7 minus 4i, 7 minus 4i, minus 2, 3 minus I, minus 2, 5i, minus 2, 5i, 3 plus I, 4, 3 plus I, 4. The A and the inverse transpose of A should be the same. Then it is Hermitian. That's why hence A is Hermitian matrix. Got it? This is very simple. Do this. Practice this. Like this only we have one more. IA is skew Hermitian. Just check that. IA is skew Hermitian when the condition is B is equal to IA. Take the A as it is, but I have to add one I to that. I to all the numbers. I have to add I to all the numbers. Just see here. B is equal to IA. I have added I to all the numbers. 3i, 7. Take I to all the numbers. Then I have just added that I to those numbers. 7 into I, 7i. plus 4i into I and I will become I square. I square will be minus 1. That's why here plus into minus 4 I got. Minus 1. That's why I don't get I here. Got it? I square will be minus 1. Remember this, very important. I square will be minus 1. That's why here plus 4i into I will get minus 4. Got it? Everything. I have just taken the common to inside. I have multiplied to all the numbers this from this I. Then I got this matrix. Then B bar, I told you, just we have to change the signs here. 3 I have, take it as it is. Just changing the plus to minus, minus to plus, minus to plus, plus to minus, then plus to minus, minus to plus. That's it. Then B inverse of transpose. That is, I told you how to change the row to column. 3i, 7i minus 4 and 2i minus 2i plus 5. Then second row, second column. Third row and third column. Take it as it is. Then I will get the B. Got it? This one and this one both are same. Hence B is equal to IA is Q Hermitian. Got it? Very simple, right? Practice these kind of problems. If you have any doubt, comment me below. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel because I have uploaded all subjects in BTech and I am still uploading. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome to M1 series. This is unit 1 and in this video I am going to explain you the linear equations. This is very important question. In each and every question paper they have asked this question. If you practice 2 to 3 questions of this type, then you will be easily solve this type of questions. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel for more subjects and topics, question paper solved ones. Let us solve this. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 2. 5x plus y plus 2z is equal to 13. Then how to take this a, x and b? I will tell you. Here we have x in front of x. If there is nothing means 1 is there. 1x plus 1y plus 1z. Then take 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then I have 2x. Then take 2 here. 3y. Take 3 here. Minus 2z. Take 2 here. Again I have 5x. 5 take here. 1y. Take 1 here. 2z. Take 2 here. Got it? Got the a part? Then x. X is x, y, z. Then b. B means whatever is there in the right hand side. 6, 2 and 13. These three numbers are b. Got it? How to make this a, x and b? Then next step. The given equations can be written in the matrix form as. It can be written in the matrix form as ax is equal to b. Here we got the a, x as well, then b also. Then I can write it as ax is equal to b. Then write this in this form. A, write it as it is. X, write it as it is. And b also. Then have to change this. Make it to simplest form. How to do this? Just take the R2. R2 minus 2R1. Then what will I get? R2 is I have 2. If you don't understand these steps, then go to previous videos that I have uploaded. That is rank of matrix. Go through those videos and understand those. Then you will be able to understand these steps. R2 is 2. 2, then 2R1. 2 multiplied by 2 into R1 means I have 1. Here 2 minus 2, I will get 0. Then write the 0 here. Then again R2 is R2. 2, 3, that is 3, minus 2 into R1 is 1. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Write down 1 here. Then again I have one more R2, that is minus 2. Take it, and minus 2 into R1 is 1. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Write minus 4 here. Then I have here also R2, that is 2. 2 minus 2 into R1 is 6. 6. 2 into 6, 12. 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. Write down minus 10 here. If you are not understanding these steps how to do, then listen again and again. Practice these steps. Then you will be able to understand easily. Then we have to change the R3 as well. Then R3 becomes R3 minus 5R1. R3 I have 5. Take the 5 as it is. Minus 5 into R1 is 1. 5 minus 5, that is 0. Write it 0. Then R3 again I have 1. 1 into 5. 1 minus 5 into R1 is 1. 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Write minus 4 in this place. Again R3 I have 2. Write the 2 minus 5 into I have R1 1. 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. Write the minus 3. Then here also I have R3. Take the R3, that is 13, minus 5 into R1 is 6. 13 minus 5 into 6. 5 into 6, that is 30. 13 minus 30 is equal to minus 17. Take the minus 17 in this position. Got it? I got this step. Again I have to make this as the simplest form. Again I have to solve this. Take the R3 again. R3 plus 4R2. R3 I have 0. R3 is 0. 0 plus 4 into R2 again 0. 4 into 0, that is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. In R3 position, I have to write 0. Then R3 minus 4 plus 4 into R2, that is 1. Minus 4 plus 4, both will get cancelled. Again I will get 0. Write the 0 in R3 position. Again R3 is minus 3 plus 4 into R2 is minus 4. Plus 4 into minus 4, that is minus 16. Minus 3 minus 16, that is minus 19. Write the minus 19 as it is. In again I have R3 here. R3 minus 17 minus 4 into R2. R2 is 10. 4 into 10, that is 40. Minus into minus 17 minus 40, that will be minus 57. Write the minus 57 in this place. Write the XYZ as it is. Again I have to change the R1. R1 minus R2. R1 is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Take the R1, 1. Again I have to do R1 minus R2. R1 is 1. R2 is 1. If I minus 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Again R1 is 1. Minus R2 is minus 4. Minus of minus 4. Here it will be 1 plus 5. Sorry, 1 plus 4. That will be 5. Write the R1 as 5. I have one more R1 here, that is 6. 6 minus R2 is minus 10, minus of minus 10. That will be 6 plus 10, that is 16. Write the 16 in R1 place. Here, write down the R2 as it is. That is 0, 1, minus 4. And here I have minus 10. Again, to change the R3, I have to do the R3 divided by minus 19. Then I will get 0 this part. Sorry, 1 in this place. To get 1 in this place, I have to do R3 by minus 19. See, R3 should become R3 by minus 19. Then this place will be 1. Just do that. And here also if I do, R3 is minus 57 divided by minus 19. Minus minus will get cancelled. 19 3 is a 57. This will get 3. This will become 3. Just update this matrix. 1 0 5 0 1 minus 4 0 0 1. This place I got 1. Here x y z as it is, and here 6 minus 10 and 3. Again I have to simplify this by applying R1 to R1 minus 5 R3. Here R1 is 1 minus 5 into R3 is 0. 1 minus 5 into 0, that is 0, that I will get 1. Just write down in the R1 place 1. Then again R1 I have 0 minus 5 into R3 is 0. I will get 0. Again I have R1 as 1. 5 minus 5 into R3 is 1. It will be 5 minus 5, that is 0. Again for here R1, it's 16. 16 minus 5 into, that is R3, 3. 5 into 3, that is 15. 16 minus 15 will get 1. Write here 1. Write down the xyz as it is. Again I have to change the R2. R2 plus 4 into R3. R2 I have 0. 4 into R3 I have again 0. 4 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. This will be 0, R2. Again R2 I have 1 plus 4 into R3 I have 0. 4 into 0, that is 0, plus 1, that this place will be 1. Again R2 I have minus 4 plus 4 into R3 I have 1. Minus 4 plus 4, that will be 0. Again here I have R2, that is minus 10. Write it. Plus 4 into I have R3, that is 3. 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 minus 10, I will get 2. Write down in the R2's place. Write the R3 as it is. 0, 0, 1. Here 3. Here I got the values of x, y and z. Hence the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Got it? This is the linear equation problem. This is how we have to solve step by step, and finally we will get the x, y and z values. If you understood how to do, then practice these two problems this one, and I gave one more like this. In exams they will give like this only. Then you have to make in this form and solve that problem. Write this in this form, then solve the problem. It will be easy. Write down in Ax is equal to B in this form and solve the problem. Then you can easily solve the problem. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Solve these two problems and comment the solution for these two problems. If you want me to explain any particular subject or any particular topic, then comment down. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading all the question papers solved for all subjects. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome back to M1 series. This is Unit 1 and Part 2 video. I have already uploaded the videos from Unit 1. This is question paper solved ones. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Let's solve this problem. Examine whether the vectors are linearly independent or not. The vectors are 3, 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 4, 2, 1. Just take it as A of 3, 1, 1 plus B of 2, 0, minus 1 plus C of 4, 2, 1 is equal to 0. If I take these three is equal to 0, then each of the vector will become 0. That is 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0. Then here I have 1a, that is a, plus I don't have b here. That's why I don't take any b. Then 2c. A plus 2c is equal to 0. Then I have 1a, here this is minus 1, that's why minus b, plus I have 1c here, c is equal to 0. In matrix form this will be 3, 2, 4 and ABC as it is equal to 0 here, and A here 1A we have 1. B form I don't have any B here, that's why 0. For C I have 2. Then A1. For B I have minus 1. C I have 1. This is in the matrix form. Then applying R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. If I do R3 minus R2, this will be 0. Then minus 1 minus 0, this is minus 1. 1 minus 2, that will be minus 1. Take R1 and R2 as it is. 3, 2, 4, 1, 0, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 0, 2. And ABC 0 as it is. Take it as it is. Here I have done the calculations. This is in the echelons form. The number of non-zero rows are 3. Here I got the number of non-zero rows are 3. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 3. Here I got 3 non-zero rows. 3 non-zero rows I got. That's why the rank of the matrix is 3. The number of the variables are 3. Those are A, B, C. These 3 are variables. That's why the number of the variables are 3. Here the number of non-zero solutions is equal to the number of variables minus rank. If I want to get the number of non-zero solutions, then I have to minus the rank from the number of the variables. The number of variables I have 3. Those are ABC 3. The rank is 3. Why? Because in this this is in the echelon form. The number of non-zero rows are 3. That's why the rank is also 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. the number of non-zero solutions is equal to 0. I got. Here just see, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0 is the only solution because the number of non-zero solution is equal to 0. That's why I got A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0. This is the only solution and the three vectors are linearly independent. Yes, in the question they have given, right? Examine whether the vectors are linearly independent or not. Here the three vectors are linearly independent. Yes. Just we have taken as A of the numbers to each. Then I have taken the equation form A plus B plus C is equal to 0 in that form. And I have taken that in matrix form. Then I have applied Gauss elimination method. After that I got 3 non-zero rows. That's why the rank is 3. The number of variables are 3. Those are A, B, C. Then I got the number of non-zero solutions by subtracting these two. And here I got A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 0. This is the only solution. That's why the three vectors are linearly independent. This is the solution. Let us see the one more question. Find the value of alpha. Show that the vectors 1, 1, 0, 1 alpha 0 and 1, 1, 1 are linearly independent. Here we have to find the alpha and show that these three vectors are linearly independent. This is asked in 2018 question paper. This is very important. Practice this once, twice until you get solve this. Let 1, 1, 0 is equal to A of 1 alpha 0 plus B of 1, 1, 1. This is in the form C is equal to A plus B. C I have taken this side, A plus B. Then comparing the components. For example, A plus B. For A I have 1 and for B also I have 1 is equal to, for C also I have 1. This is the equation number 1. And for A I have alpha, A alpha plus B also I have 1, B is equal to 1. See, here 1 is there, is equal to 1. Let us take this as equation number 2. Here A I don't have anything, 0. That's why don't need to take A here. Then B I have 1. B is equal to, here in the C I have 0. Just take that. Then take this as equation number 3. Here I got B is equal to 0. Substitute this B is equal to 0 in the equation number 1. Then A plus B I have. In the place of B, I have taken 0 is equal to 1. The equation will become like this. Then A plus 0 is equal to 1 means A is equal to 0. I got this. Then substitute this A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 in equation number 2. In this equation. Then I will get A alpha plus B is equal to 1 will become, A means I got 1. 1 alpha plus B is 0. 0 is equal to 1. 1 alpha means alpha plus 0 is equal to 1. Alpha value I will get 1 here. I got the alpha, that is 1. I have found out the alpha and these three vectors are linearly independent. Very simple, right, this question? Practice these kinds of questions. High chances of asking these types of questions in question paper. That's why you have to practice. and I have given one more practice problem for you, that is determine whether the vectors 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 are linearly independent or not. Just find out this like this only. I have explained here, right? Like this you have to solve this problem. Very simple. Solve this and let me know in the comment section what is the solution for this. And if you are a BTech student, you have to subscribe to my channel. I'll be keep uploading the question paper solved ones for all the subjects. And if you want me to explain any particular topic, then comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome to M1 series. This is Unit 1. This is last part of this M1, Unit 1. If you are watching my video first time, then subscribe to my channel. Especially if you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading all the subject question paper solved videos. If you want the previous videos, previous parts of the Unit 1, then check out the previous videos that I have uploaded. Let us start with this question. Solve the following system equations by using Gauss-Seidel method. Correct the 3 decimal place. That is 8x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 20. 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 13. 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 35. How to solve this? By using Gauss-Seidel method. Solve this question. Take the given as it is 8x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 20. 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 13. 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 35. Write it down while explaining only for better understanding. The next step is first iteration. How to do this? Just take this 8x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 20 as it is. Take this. Then take the x this side only. Keep the x this side. Then send all the 3y, 2z this side. Then this will become plus will become minus will become plus and plus will become minus. 20 as it is. 8x will be here, 8 will go this side, then it will be 1 by 8. Then 20 minus 3y will be plus 3y plus 2z will be minus 2z. Then x is equal to 1 by 8. The next step will be put y is equal to 0, then z is also 0. 1 by 8, 20 plus 3 into 0, y is equal to 0, minus 2 into 0, z is 0. Then here 20, take the 20 outside, 20 divided by 8 is equal to, here it will be 0, 0 minus 0, 0. If I will get 2.5 for this 20 divided by 8. X is equal to 2.5. I got x value here. Then take the second equation. Take this as equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Then it will be easy to understand. This is 1. Take the equation 2 here. 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 33. Keep the y this side. Then it will be 1 by 11. The 11 will go this side. 1 by 11. 33 as it is. Then this 4x will be minus 4x. The x value I got here 2.5. Take the 2.5 plus z is also 0. I have taken z value as 0. Take the z as 0. Here 4 into 2.5, that is 10. 30 minus 10, that 33 minus 10, that will be 22. 23. 23 divided by 11. I will get 2.09. That is y value. I got the x value and the y value. Have to find the z. Then take the equation number 3 here. 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 35. Take the z this side, then it will be 1 by 12 into 35 as it is, then minus 6x. I have 6x value is 2.5. Take the 2.5 minus 3 into y is I got 2.09. 2.09. Then whenever I multiply these two and minus, I'll get 13.72. If you calculate this one, we'll get 13.73 divided by 12. I'll get 1.14 is equal to z. This is the z value. I got x, y and z values. Let us do second iteration as same like this. Just do that. Take the x, the first row equation. 8x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 20. Take the x this side, then it will be 1 by 8, 20 plus 3y minus 2z. I got y and z values, right? I have to take these two values for yz is equal to 1 by 8, 20 plus 3 into y value is 2.09 minus 2 into 1.14. If I do this calculation, I will get like around 23.99 divided by 8. I will get this 2.99. This is the x value. Calculate this value and check in the calculator. You will get the x value as 2.99. This is the x value. Then take the y as it is. Take the second equation. Second equation is 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 33. This is the second equation. Take the y this side, then you will get y is equal to 1 by 11, 33 minus 4 into x value I got 2.99 minus 11 into y value I got, y already I have taken here, that's why z, this is 1, nothing is there, z value I got later in the previous 1.14. When I calculate this, I will get 1 by 11, 22.18. That will be 2.01. This is the y value. Then calculate the x. Take the equation number 3. That is 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 35. Take the z this side, then z is equal to 1 by 12, 35 minus 6x minus 3y. Then this will be 1 by 12, 35 minus 6 into x value 2.99 minus 3 into y I got 2.01. When I calculate this, I will get 11.03 divided by 12. I will get 0.91. This is the z value. I got x, y and z, all the three values. Then I have to do the third iteration. Again, by taking these x, y and z values, how to find x, y, z values? By taking the Starting three equations. Take the first equation to find the x again. 8x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 20. Take this. 8x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 20. This will be, take the x this side, then it will be 1 by 8, 20, 20 plus 3 into y I got 2.01 minus 2 into z, that is 0.91. This is the z value. When I calculate this, I will get 24.21 divided by 8. This is 3.02. The value of x. Again I have to find out the value of y. Then take the second equation, that is 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 33. Then take the y this side, it will be 1 by 11 into 33 minus 4 into, what is the x value I got? 3.02. 3.02 minus z value is, here it will be plus, here also this is plus because I am taking that one this side, that's why this is plus. Correct it. Plus z value 0.91. When I calculate this, I will get 10.94 divided by 11, that is 10.94 divided by 9, 10.94 divided by 11, that is, actually this value is 21.83 divided by 11, this will be 1.98. This is the value of y. I got x and y values. Have to find out the z value as it is. Take the third equation, 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 35. Take the z this side, then it will be 1 by 12, 35 minus 6 into x value 3.02 minus 3 into y value 1.98. Calculate this. This will be 10.98 divided by 12 and 0.91. This is the z value. Let's do the fourth iteration, same like this only, by taking x value, y value and z values as these. Fourth iteration. Fourth iteration. Take the x first, that is 8x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 20. Keep the x here only, then this will be 1 by 8, 20 plus 3 into y value I got 1.98. 1.98 minus 2 into z value 0.91. Take this value 0.91. This is 3.01. This is the x value 3.01. Calculate the y value as it is. Take the second equation, 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 33. Take the y this side, then it will be 1 by 11 into 33 minus 4 into x value I got 3.01. 3.01. Y I have taken outside minus z. Z value I got 0.91. This is 1. When I calculate, I will get 21.87 divided by 11. Then it will be 1.98. This is the value of y. I got x and y values. How to find out the z value? Take the third equation now. That is 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 35. Take the z this side, then it will be 1 by 12 into 35 minus 6 into x is 3.01 minus 3 into y is 1.98. Calculate this. Then I will get 24.112 divided by 8, that will be 3.01. Just see here, I got the same value for x in the previous iteration also, that is 3.01. Then let us find out the y also. Take the second equation, that is 4x plus 11y minus z is equal to 33. Take the y outside, that will be 1 by 11. 33 minus 4 into x value I got 3.01. 3.01 minus z value I got 0.91. Then this value will be 21.87 divided by 11. This will be 1.98. This is also same as the previous iteration. I got the same value for x and y. Let us check the z value. Take the third equation, that is 6x plus 3y plus 12z is equal to 33. Take the y this side. Take the z. This is 35. Like this you will also get confused. Be very careful with the maths. Check twice before calculating whether it's correct or not. Then z is equal to 1 by 12, 35 minus 6 into x value 3.01 minus 3 into y value 1.98. This will be 11 by 12 again. I will get the 0.91. This is the z value. I got the z value also the same as previous iteration. After calculating 5 iterations, you have to make a table that should include the serial numbers. We have 3 variables, those are x, y and z. That's why 3 variables. We have done up to 5 iterations. Take the columns like 5 iterations. Variables are x, y and z. Here I can see in first iteration I got the x value as 2.5. Write the 2.5 and y value I got 2.09. 2.09 and z value is 1.14. 1.14. In second iteration I got x value as 2.99. 2.99 and y value as 2.01. Y 2.01 and the z value is 0.91. 0.91. In the third iteration, I got the x value 3.02. 3.02. And the third iteration, y value 1.98. 1.98. And the z value 0.91. 0.91. And the fourth iteration, x value is 3.01. 3.01. Y value 1.98. 1.98. And the z value 0.91. 0.91. And the fifth iteration also I got the same, 3.01, 1.98 and 0.91. This table will make you easy understand, and you can compare these two tables, almost similar. All values I got are same, right? Then you can stop doing the next iteration. Practice this problem. Solve this and let me know in the comment section what you got the solution, in how many iterations you got the solution. In next video I'll be uploading the second unit question paper solved video. So subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. This is the Pakka question, like they must ask this question in question paper. That's why you have to solve. You have to practice more and more. Then you will be able to solve in less time. Practice makes you perfect. Like this video, share this video and comment below if you want me to explain any topic. Subscribe for more.